Today I'm going to show you how to make these quick veggie bites. Simple, easy, healthy snack. This is fiber rich because I'm going to add lot of veggies inside. So today I had only potato, tomato and onion, some coriander leaves. You can add in any vegetable of your choice. I have added rice flour, spices as needed, and making a dough out of it and roll it small and over your hand or a paper, pat it and cook it on both the sides to make a delicious patty sort of a healthy snack. So the next time when I made this, I added cooked and mashed corn, carrot as well. So the variations you can keep trying. It is a very healthy snack option. You can also try adding in other millet flour. So do tell me how you like this simple and easy healthy snack, and do not forget to follow Tots and Moms for more such recipes. Have a good day.